22nd Para Sports Meet Open.
As we release these balloons, let them rise with the same determination and courage that define our athletes. Rising high, rising free, and rising with purpose.
Play the theme song, please. एक बबल ठंडा पानी का दीजिए ना यहाँ
As the march continues, we are moved to the auspicious lighting of the lamp.
Release करिबो तुम्हारा को तार release करिबा दे
Followed by it, we will now have the release of balloons. As the balloons rise into the air, may they carry the hopes, the confidence, and the soaring spirit of every athlete participating today.
Good morning to you all. Respected guests seated on the dais, dear students, media persons. Today is the second Northeast Para Sports Meet. We take this opportunity to welcome you all and to give you support. The best support that you all are receiving is from Madam Reniki Guya. The hope and aspiration that she had given and I as a sports minister had seen since last year, the intricate work that she had been serving in terms of sports is audible. And we take this opportunity that all the para-athletes of the Northeast, when you are representing in India, we take the pride also that you have won many of the international medals as well as national medals. Behind you all, your parents are your greatest support, Your coaches are your greatest support. We respect both the parents and the coaches for bringing you all to this field. Sports does not mean that it's only the individuals or the sports person they'll be able to play. We see among you the sportsmanship, and you all have become an icon for the rest of the youngsters who are able challenged. For all of you standing here, we bow down to you because we know that you have the strength and the will to take the world. From here onwards, we move forward, and this is not only about Northeast, you are going to capitate in the whole of India. We are giving you the opportunity among the Northeast to see that you can compete among yourself and to be the best. And those who are from Assam, we are giving you the opportunity to use the Abhinav Bindra Sports Excellence, where the rehabilitations are being done. It is in this stadium itself only. Many of you must be taking the opportunity also, and the opportunity is available for all. So when this opportunity has been given, it's because of the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, who had thought that sports is not about only playing. Most important is how it should have a disciplined way of rehab which is required in Assam. So also, it's not only in Guwahati, it's in Kokrajhar as well as in Jorhat. So sports from these para-athletes, those who are residing in Upper Assam as well as in Central Assam, can avail this opportunity where you can become more professional than the earlier way. I take this opportunity to welcome you all and thank you very much for having me here. This is a back-to-back Northeast Paras Athlete Sports Meet. I wish that the organizers continue for the rest of the years so that young para-athletes who come, they will always see a hope that they can be among all in the field. Thank you very much.
First of all, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries present in the dais, especially Sports and Sports Minister, Mrs. Lalita, and all the esteemed dignitaries today who is present with us to be as a strength, courage, and to give us the unperforming strength to hold the second edition of Northeast Para Meet again starting from today till 29th. As it's a very sunny day and we have more than 700 participants participating in the event, and a lot of them, due to their specially abled factors, they could not come in, but we had a few of them to witness the opening occasion. So today, among all the dignitaries who are present, plus all the kids who has come all the way from 7 states of the northeastern, a very beautiful part of our India. They are the testimony of resilience, determination and courage. And today, Para-Meet is not a responsibility that from Udayachal we are taking. It is inspiration and it is the rights of all the athletes who are present today and participating in the event. It is a game of courage, it is a game of dignity, It is a trait of indomitable spirit which is being displayed by the athletes which are present today, because it is due to their courage and strength that it will have, or it will give an inspiration to not more who are not here today, but in the coming years they will be able to display their character and courage. It is always imagined who does not believe in the strength of the body, but it believes in the strength of the willpower. And today, again, with this ideology behind, today we are organizing the second parallel meet of Northeast. And once again, today I wish all the kids who are standing in the scorching heat, and I will not take much time. It is your love, dedication, the spirit. It is not about being the first or a second. It is about standing in the field and being a courage to thousands of young para-athletes who are looking at you. So wishing you all the best. God bless you, and just play and make the best way. Thank you.